Sir, would you please like to speak up brief about your background?
Absolutely. So I'm Ankur Mishra. I'm the head of product in the automation essentials area at Greyorange. I have around 17 years of experience now working in multiple industries, multiple areas. Prior to this, I was at Walmart. And have spent many years over there. I think with my consulting at Walmart and then really working for them at full time, I spent around over 10 years with them. A lot of experience in supply chain. I've had the opportunity to work upstream and downstream. And then I was an accidental product manager at one point in time, which we can speak about as we go. I've recently shifted to Gurgaon, so which has been a change for me as well, from the traffic of Bangalore to the pollution of North India. And I'm trying to settle into what has been my birthplace as well. So yeah, that's so much about me.
Yeah. So in your vast experience, what is that one career learning that you have taken with yourself through this journey?
That's a good question. Let me say, don't be too hard at yourself, is what I would say. Because no 2 days are equal. If the day is bad today, it's going to turn out to be good. Tom Hanks, in his famous Instagram clip, continues to say, "This too shall pass." And that's what I think about. So that's one career learning. Don't be too hard on yourself.
And sir, looking at the landscape of the world right now, is there any particular career domains that aspiring these two students should look to get into, or is it just like what suits them that mission?
No, I think it's also a personality thing. You understand where does your personality lie. Do not force yourself to be a somebody, but keep in mind you are not getting away without learning about AI or utilizing AI in your day-to-day work. So make it an enabler, start using it. Do not, in any career that you utilize, you're going to fall behind a lot of people. So live your side.
Yes, sir.